Alright, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host, Bailey. How's it going, everybody? Bunny hands. Alright, so I am coming at you guys with a really simple, easy accent nail idea here. Now, I have clients personally that some of them don't really like Christmas, but like to have kind of like a Christmas themed nail. Like they don't really like to have the traditional, snowman, Christmas tree, etc. So this is kind of like an alternative to go with those Christmas colors. And it also doesn't necessarily need to be just Christmas colors, but I'm just, I've got a few examples here, and I'm going to finish up my little art stick here so that my clients can see this. So this one I've done gold, red, and green, as you can see, with the sugared scroll work here. And this one I have done blue and silver. So I'm going to do this one with you guys. So my base color here is Venalisa Pure Color Gel 1613. It's just their black. Now you can do the foil work here using utilizing the sticky layer, the tacky layer of a super tacky color gel, but Venalisa and Canni are kind of hit and miss. I find some of the Venalisas don't have tacky enough of a layer to kind of pull that foil away from the film that it is on. So I have wiped away the tacky layer on this. I have myself some foil glue here, just regular foil glue. I utilize it. So you want to give it just a nice, quick, thin coat. Watch for chunks because that happens in foil glue. You can get this off Amazon, eBay, Born Pretty. Anywhere that sells foil usually sells foil glue. So I like to drag my brush like this, just to kind of get all the lumps and bumps out of there. And I'm going to pause for just a few moments, and this will dry transparent. And I will see you guys in just a few. Alright, so as you guys can see, that's just about all the way dry. There's still a little bit of blue right here and a little here. So I'm going to just set this over here just to dry, and I'll show you guys the colors I'm going to use for this one. I'm going to be using this regular gold foil, so nothing special about it. So, but there's all kinds of, colors that you can utilize. You can do any pairing. So this is just a regular silverback gold foil, and I'm going to be using this purple foil. Now I did this combination of these exact two on a client of mine, and she loved it. This is why I got the idea for this little video here. So I'm using this laser dark purple foil from the Pink Nail Chair. Now one thing I did notice though, when I do the matte top coat on this, this kind of, it transfers blue, and then when you matte top coat it, it goes a different kind of purple, if that makes sense. But this is a copper back foil or brown back foil. So I'm going to take some cleanser here. Oh, somebody's stuck. 1 second. And we're back. Okay. So I am going to clean the back. Now this one also, I've noticed, it does clean, but it doesn't clean the greatest. And I guess that just depends on, the quality of the foil. But this one takes a couple of swipes, but does dry that kind of red color. But that's ready and good to go. All right, so this little swatchy should be ready. Yeah, it looks good to me. Okay, and there's no rhyme or reason. You don't really have to do, perfect full transfer. It doesn't really matter what the pattern looks like. You can do straight up and down, mix it up. I just kind of go back and forth. Just like so. And I find it adds to the effect when you can still kind of see the black in the background. But the foil usually covers most of it when you do the foil glue. Alright, so now I'm going to go over it with my matte top coat. This is my Nail Innovations matte top coat. And you'll see what I mean when I go over this. It kind of removes the color, sort of. You'll see it come off on my brush here. And you'll see that purple change color. It's almost like it's, I don't know. See what I mean? See what I mean? And then I compare it to the purple. Totally different color. So I'm going to cure this for 120 seconds in my UV lamp, and I'm going to clean my brush here before I put it back in my bottle, and I will see you guys all in a few. Okay, so this is cured. I'm going to wipe away any tacky. There we go. Foils look so cool when they are matte. You could also leave this shiny if you wanted to, but I am now going in with my Canni gel 530. Oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna do just literally some random scroll work. Some people call it scroll work. Some people call it filigree. I call it filigree. And I'm using Sheila to apply that. Sorry guys, I get super quiet. I like to concentrate sometimes. Again, I'm just doing this randomly. I'm not really following any patterns. I'm just kind of going in. And I think on this one, I think I'm going to grab my dotting tool here. And and you can do anything over top of these. You can do stamping, whatever you like. I just find that these are a really neat little accent nail idea. So I'm going in with my sugar snow powder mix. For those of you who don't know what this is half and half iridescent white glitter and a 3D matte powder. And you could also use a clear acrylic powder as well. So just kind of sugared over top of that, tapped off the excess there, and now I'm going to cure that again for 120 seconds in my UV lamp, and I will be right back. All right, so we are all cured. I'm gonna take a really stiff bristled brush here and give it a good brisk over. And there you have it. Really, really great little accent nail. You could do one or two, you know, like the two middle fingers. It's how I usually accent mine, like the 3 or however. Or you could do just one. It doesn't really matter how you pair that. But if you ever have, you know, artist block, you can definitely use this idea. Very simple, very fast, super quick video for you guys today. So click, comment, like, subscribe, and share with the universe. Keep coming back, YouTube family. You know I love you. Follow me on Instagram, bc_jazzy_time. And if you'd like to follow my business page, Beautiful Nails by Design, spelled B-E-E-U-T-I-F-U-L, not B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Anywho's, I'm going to get to a few more Christmas tutorials here for you guys. So, yes, I hope you all stay tuned and stay jazzy.